Here are for you a quick fix on how to resolve Windows 10 locking itself out automatically. First, you want to navigate to the Start menu and search for Power and Sleep Settings. Click on that. Next, you want to navigate to Additional Power Settings. Next, under Selected Plan, you want to click on Change Plan Settings. Next, you want to click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Next, under Power Options, you want to navigate and click on PCI Express. Click on the plus icon. Next, you want to click on Link State Power Management. Click on the plus icon. You are presented with two options here, on battery and when plugged in. For these two options, you want to turn them off. Apply and OK. This single fix should resolve the problem. Another thing you want to watch out for are those programs that has been assigned administrator rights to monitor processes on our system but are messing up with the drivers. So you want to check those programs that has been installed and undo those changes assigned to them. This should resolve the problem.